Alright. Oh, he's whistling. Please be something good. Give us the bonus somehow. Not going to get the portal. We are going to fight. Nice. Alright, can they continue? No hits there. Come on, give us something good. Doesn't seem too good as well. Come on. Can they save us somehow? Alright, we get some upgrades. Doesn't really do too much, I'm afraid. Can we continue? Alright, these are hitting some more chests. Please be something good. Another portal. 2 more upgrades. And there's another bonus symbol on the board. Let's hope this portal goes better than the last one. Come on, throw 3 out. Oh no, not a single one again. Can anything happen out of this popcorn? I'm afraid it's gonna be really hard to hit something good. Not any bonus either. €1.70. Alright, it's going to the tube. And all the bonus symbols are on the screen. I'm afraid there's no way to hit them. Another upgrade. Please continue hitting on those blues. We have another chest. We don't hit anything.